A study just released says children who miss doses of the DTaP vaccine are about 30% more likely to be diagnosed with whooping cough. Right now, the illness is at epidemic levels in Texas. And KOCO's Rachel Calderon tells us how the Sooner State compares.
Oklahoma State health officials are encouraging women who are pregnant to get the DTaP vaccine in the last trimester of their pregnancy and to get it during each pregnancy. Now, this vaccine protects from diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis, also known as whooping cough. When an expectant mother gets that shot, she passes on that protection to her unborn baby. Newborns are particularly vulnerable to whooping cough. They're first eligible for the vaccine at 2 months old. Now, in Texas, where 2,000 cases were reported this year alone, 2 of those cases were deadly. Both of those babies were under 2 months old. Oklahoma State health officials report far less numbers, 99 in our state in 2013. 33 of those cases are in Tulsa. Last year, there were 159 cases in Oklahoma statewide. The state is not just encouraging expectant mothers to get a booster, but anyone who will come in contact with a newborn, the spouse, family members, or a caregiver who may help care for that newborn can often be carriers of the bacteria. The hope is that this latest warning will encourage people to stay up to date on those vaccines. Rachel Calderon, KOCO 5 News.
Well, it's hard to see that little one like that. Rachel, thank you. And in children, the DTaP vaccine is given at 2 months, 4 months, and 6 months old. Boosters are given when they're toddlers.